Okay, we're looking at a BAS Limited 2+2. This is a Series 2 left-hand drive automatic. This is typical of how our kits are packed. As you can see in production shipping area here, they're being assembled for delivery. And notice how everything is carefully packed and labeled. We'll take a closer look at some of these things, but I just wanted to show you how this is done. There's the center console retrim kit. Every piece is labeled carefully, the leather components, the vinyl, and we even provide the foam pieces that go under. The panel boards that fit inside the little glove box, the cover itself, piping, everything is made up to finish that. Another exclusive of ours is this ABS plastic to replace the paper mache type product the factory used. This is for the upper rear door panel, and again it's an exclusive from BAS Limited. This order includes the flocked glove box. It's a riveted piece with the fiberboard flocking. It's very complete down to the screws and washers. There's little Dexter making his appearance. Fixing screws and washers